everyone, welcome back to Graceful Beauty. My name is Sherry, and today I thought I would share with you a little makeup product that I absolutely love. I never even travel without it, and since the holiday season is here and you might be going to a bunch of Christmas parties or New Year's Eve parties, you want a makeup product that you're not going to have to keep touching up all night long and looking in the mirror and making sure your makeup looks okay. This is a 2-in-1 product. This is by the Balm Cosmetics. It's called Staniac and it's Beauty Queen. What this is, it's a lip and cheek stain. Now, it's not like other lip and cheek stains. That's why I wanted to share it. If you have tried a ton of the other lip and cheek stains that are out there, you will know what I'm talking about. At first you put them on and you might think it looks okay, but then after like an hour or even after a few minutes, it turns from that beautiful shade that you thought it was into like that weird orangey fluorescent pink color that you want to get off your lips or your face, but you can't because now you have it stained. That is why I absolutely love this product. I've used it for so many years, long before I had even a YouTube channel. But this is all I have on my lips as far as color, and then I just have a clear lip gloss over top, and I have this on my cheeks today. This product will last, for me, it will last pretty much all day long if I don't sit there and kind of lick my lips, which I have a habit of doing. This has a little fluffy doe foot applicator, and this really helps so the product doesn't go on streaky, because some of the other products come with like a little brush, like a nail polish brush applicator, and I feel like those streak. But with this, it's not going to streak. So another reason I wanted to share this with you guys is that my husband loves this product too. Not for himself, but he loves when I wear it. So he pretty much never says anything about my makeup or hair or whatever. He really, I don't think he really cares. And I could have tons of gray hair showing or pimples and he'll still say, "Oh, you're so pretty," which I'm sure he's probably lying, but you know, whatever. But he never says anything specifically about my actual makeup other than, "Oh, you look really pretty." Unless I have this on, he will specifically look at my lips and say, "Oh, I like your lips," and he's always wanting to kiss me when I have this on. You could just put one sheer coat of this on and it just gives you that beautiful, natural, plump, kind of that juicy, glowing look. You know how young kids have those beautiful pink lips that they just look so pretty and full, and that's what this does with one sheer coat. Or I put 2 thick coats of this on and it will stain your lips pretty much the color that you see in the tube here. But over top I did a little bit of a lip liner that sort of matched the shade of my lips, and then I put a sheer coat of my absolutely favorite lip gloss by City Lips over top. I like to layer products with this, so today I put this on my cheeks and I just put a few little drops, and I take my favorite blending brush by BK Beauty. It's meant to be a foundation brush, but I love to use this for my liquid blush. And I feel like it just gives me such a beautiful glow. Everybody always asks if I've had cheek fillers, which I never have had any fillers. I've just always had, you know, high cheekbones and puffy cheeks. But I feel like the beautiful lit from within glow that this gives, it just kind of gives me that bounce to my cheeks, and it almost looks like there's a little bit of a highlighter there, which I do still wear highlighter, but I just feel like this product just gives me that beautiful, rosy, lit from within glow like you see a lot of little kids have. And you know how a lot of other lip and cheek stains, as soon as you put it on, you have to immediately blend it, otherwise you're left with that streak on your face. This has aloe in it, and it takes a little bit longer to dry down. So some of those other lip and cheek stains, they're gonna dry as soon as you put them on. This for me takes, I'd say, like a good minute to really set. And then once it's set, it pretty much won't budge. So maybe you have some Christmas parties or New Year's parties coming up. You don't want to have your lipstick left all over the cups that you're drinking out of. So that's the other thing I love with this product. When you drink out of a glass, this is perfect because it does not leave any bright pink lipstick behind on your glass at all. Now, of course, I have on lip gloss, so some of my lip gloss might be left behind, but if that's something you're concerned with but you still want to wear makeup, this is a perfect product for that because you're not going to get your lip product everywhere. Another thing I did forget to mention, this doesn't dry my lips out. Some of those other products, they're so drying, and within about an hour or two, you just can't get enough lip gloss over top. I could wear this alone if I wanted to, but I like to have that shiny look over top. But this won't make my lips all dry and cracky. On their website, this is, I think, $17, and you get 0.3 ounces, it looks like. And it looks like a little small tube, but you saw how little I put on. This little thing right here will last me probably at least a year, and I wear this really, really often. But the reason why it's gonna last so much longer than a regular tube of lipstick, even with me putting on my cheeks and my lips, is because you just need the smallest amount and you don't have to keep touching it up all day long like you would, you know, a regular tube of lipstick. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel but you would like to be, don't forget to look down below and tap on that subscribe button before you leave. And as most of you already know, if you watch my channel, I don't do sponsored videos, I don't do ads, I don't accept money in return for a review. This company does not even know that I exist, even though it's a product I've used for many, many years. So with that being said, if you'd like to help me to grow my channel, it would be really awesome if you know of anyone that you think might be interested in the information that I share on my channel. Look down below when you subscribe and there's a little button that allows you to share my videos if you want to share it on your Facebook or Pinterest, or if you just want to email it to somebody that you think might be interested in some of the things that I share on this channel. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you don't have any tips and tricks, or if you just have a question or you want to share something with everyone, leave that comment down below as well. I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in next week's video.